So today we're going to do Draw My Life, which will be drawing the states of matter and their properties and characteristics. And the first one will be liquid. Liquids can be many things that of course we know, like water. And this is a drawing I tried to draw of liquid, but it looks like dominoes. So we're going to talk about viscosity, which is the resistance to flow, and certain liquids flow better than others. So the first one was water, and then syrup. So we can tell that syrup does not flow that good. And then we have a pretty drawing of the ocean, because that's liquid too. And then we're going to talk about the capillary action, and that line that I drew was the meniscus. Now I'm drawing the surface tension, which would be a belly flop, and that's why there's that stick figure with a large belly. And then for fun, we decided to draw Misty from Pokemon, because she has some water Pokemon, and water is a liquid. So, yeah. There she is with her red hair. Well, it's orange, but I only had a red marker. And her blue eyes. And now she's drawing a Pokeball, because Misty's going to choose it, which would be Squirtle, because Squirtle is a water Pokemon. And water is a liquid. There's my attempt at drawing Squirtle. So while I'm drawing Squirtle, I'll talk about some characteristics of liquids. I already mentioned viscosity, surface tension, capillary action, and now I'll mention fluidity, which is the ability to flow. And even though I'm talking about liquids, gases do flow better than liquids. And those are the main characteristics of what a liquid is.
Another state of matter is gas. Gases have neither a defined volume or shape. Gases are the fastest moving out of all the phases. Indeed, its molecules even move with speed. It's a state in which particles break down, and it surrounds us all around. Gases are in the bubbles in your drink. You can't see gas, but there are more places than you think. And also, if a gas is compressed, it has less room to travel. Which is why the Pokemon Coughing is the best Pokemon to represent gas, because he's filled with gas, even though his gases are toxic. Oh, and fun fact, Coughing can produce more gas in high temperatures. And if that isn't talent, I have no idea what talent is. Hashtag ball is life. Just kidding. Gases. The end. Gas.
Solids hold their shape and do not flow like a liquid. Solids do not flow because their molecules are strongly attracted to each other. Their molecules are tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. Examples of solids can be a rock or a diamond. They will always keep their shape unless force is applied to it. Even when you grind up a solid into a powder, you will see tiny pieces of that solid under microscope. When a solid is made up of a pure substance and forms slowly, it can become a crystal. Not all pure substances form a crystal, because it is a very delicate process. The atoms are arranged in a regular repeating pattern called a crystal lattice.